welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Now let's get right into this unboxing. So before I do my nails, I just wanted to unbox on camera the things that I got in the mail. So the first thing we have is 3D butterfly stickers. It came in a pack of 12 sheets, which is very perfect for beginners because if you want to design, all you have to do is just peel off the stickers and place it on the nail. Next we have this Polygel Vermol, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it came in 6 tubes of 15-gram polygels. This first color is called Starlight Feel. The second color is called Party Queen. This third color is called Sparkling Girl. The fourth color is called Always Gorgeous. The fifth color is called Ocean Eyes. And lastly, the last color is called Glaring Beauty. And all of these are perfect for beginners because instead of encapsulating glitter into your polygel, all you have to do is get this one, and this is how it looked before curing and this is how it looked after curing. As you can see, I'm tapping on it and they dry really quickly. Next we have this nail art set. It came with 15 different nail art brushes and 5 dotting tools, and it also came with some glitter. So here's how the brushes look. Next, let's move on to the dotting tools, and these are how they look. Each side is a different size, so if you want something smaller, go for the smaller one, and bigger, obviously go for the big one. And next we have these. I don't know what to call it, but we have 4 different colors, and I guess you can encapsulate or put on top of your nails. And then we have these 4 different color glitters. These are so pretty. I can't wait to use these, so stay tuned. Next we have these full covered tips by Saviland, which is perfect for beginners because all you have to do is size your nail and glue them on. That way you don't have to worry about applying acrylic with nail tips or using nail tips to do polygel. As you can see how I am fitting it on my nail, that's all you have to do. Next we have this polygels kit from Saviland. This kit comes with a brush and a spatula on the other end. It also comes with dual forms, a 100/180 hand file, a base coat, a top coat, and this kit also came with some slip solution, which I was happy about. I feel like all the kits should come with slip solution. So now swatching the colors, we have rainbow red, we have rainbow orange, we have rainbow yellow, we have rainbow green, next we have rainbow blue, Next we have rainbow purple. And so far these colors are looking so pretty. And next we have black, which I was surprised because in the picture I thought it was a gray color, but it's black. And this is how they look before curing, and this is after. As you can see, I'm going to press my hand against it and they dry rather quickly. It only took me 30 seconds to do it, but when you do it on your nails, you want to make sure that you're curing for at least 60 to make sure they're completely dry. So now actually getting into the nail video, what I did was push back my cuticles, and I'm taking my hand file to push back my cuticles some more and file around because I didn't want to use my nail drill. So I just took my hand file and I kind of shaped up the nail, removing the shine from my nails. Next I'm going in with my buffer. I actually don't know why I use my buffer here because I just used my nail file, but I use my nail buffer, and here I'm just wiping away the dust. Next I'm going in with my base coat and painting a layer over all the nails and curing in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. So next I'm taking my Saviland nail tips and I'm just going to be sizing up my nails and getting my size out to apply. Now that we have the tips, I didn't want to glue them on. I wanted to use the method where you use gel. So I just placed a little bit of my base coat gel into the tip of the nail and I pressed the nail down on my fingers. And then I try to put my nail under the lamp as straight as I can, and then I did that for all of the nails. So here we have all of the nail tips applied. This was my first time doing this. Most likely I won't probably do it anymore unless I practice off camera because some of the nails did have air bubbles under, which can cause lifting if water was to get under. So next time I will try gluing them on instead. So I'm just taking my base coat after I remove the shine from the nail tips. I'm going in with my base coat, painting a layer over all the nails and curing in my nail lamp for another 30 seconds. So now I'm just taking the slip solution that came with the package and I'm taking my Saviland yellow polygel and I'm putting that over my middle finger. I'm dipping my brush into the slip solution and patting down the polygel. It kind of took me a long time because, like I keep saying, I am a beginner. Once I get the hang of it, I will be able to do it more quickly. Also, I want to take the time to say I realize I am a bit heavy-handed with the polygel, so when I do my polygels, my nails turn out a little bit too thick. So next time I do polygel, I will only use small beads and work from there. Once I finish patting my polygel into place, I'm going to cure that in the nail lamp. And yes, it's looking a bit rough right now, but I will go in with my file. So for my ring finger, I tried to do an ombre with the glitter. So I'm just taking my glitter polygel from the other kit. I'm just putting that on the tip, working it in, and later you will see me go in with my yellow again and putting it near the cuticle and working it in together. So once I finish doing that and the nail looks somewhat decent, I cure my nail in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Then you're gonna see me go in with the glitter polygel and do my pinky. And I didn't want to make this video super long, so I went in and did my index finger a solid yellow and my thumb the ombre like my ring finger. And this is how the nails look after applying the polygel. So on to the next step, I will be going in with my hand file to reshape the nails and also file over the top to make sure that it's smooth with no lumps. So next, after all that filing, this is how the nails look. I'm just going in, removing all the dust, and I'm going in with my buffer to buff the nails to remove the scratches. So once all that is done, these are what the nails look like. Next, I'm gonna go in with some rhinestones. I just applied some top coat to where I will be placing my rhinestones, which is near the cuticle. I will be taking my rhinestones and just putting them in and then curing to make sure that they are in place. And once all that is done, I'm just taking my top coat and painting a layer over all the nails. And after I cure for 30 seconds, I'm going in taking some cuticle oil and rubbing that into my cuticles. And after all that, these are the final product. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.